We ready? Okay, now we're back. We've had our cupcakes in the oven for 15 minutes. They've come out, they've cooled. We have our chocolate frosting in the bag. We have different color sprinkles right here. So Ricky, you can take your bag. And we're going to squeeze it really carefully on the cupcakes. Go all the way around. Good job. Now let's do this one. Okay. Now squeeze this one. You got it? Now let's do this one. Okay. Good job. Now, let's take your sprinkles and put whatever colors you want here for you and your sister. Put them on there. Come on. Let's take a handful like this and let's just sprinkle them on the top.
I put one.
Alright, well go ahead. Do you just want to do them all that color?
And these.
Okay, go ahead.
What does that mean?
Okay. Great job. Okay, now let's do these two now.
These two?
Mm-hmm. Take out your color sprinkles and put them on the top. Them look very good.
Now there's one more.
Now one more, yes. Great job. Now do you want to taste it? Which one do you want to taste?
The one I done first.
Okay, we'll taste it. Let's see how it tastes.
Which one?
I don't pick one, whichever one you want to do. Did it taste good? Great job. Did we do a good job? High five.